Hello mates, welcome to Full Stack Java Developer. I am Kiran Jadhav here. In this session, I will teach you here interview question, department wise, sum of salary using Stream API. Then see, we are just going to use here JDK 8 feature Stream API to calculate department wise sum of salary. We'll start with the practical implementation. Simply come up with the IntelliJ, and there I am creating the Java application. New Java class name I am giving here department wise sum of salary. See, our class is created successfully. Now we'll start with the implementation here. Then see, this is our main class, that's why I'm writing here main method, and we require the one more class name of employee, and here we are using @data. It will help us to reduce boilerplate code. You don't require getter, setter and toString manually. Next I am using here @all constructor for parameterized constructor. Next calling here nor constructor for default constructor. Then I will recommend, before start your interview, you can simply create the Spring Boot project, and there you can simply add the dependency like Spring Wave. The next you can add the dependency like Lombok, and you can use the dev tool dependency also for live reload the application. And then data coming from Lombok, it will help us to reduce boilerplate code. It means we don't require the getter, setter and toString manually. And if you don't want to use @data, then you have option available @getter, @setter and @toString. But if you are using @data, it's replaceable with getter, setter and toString. Then see, @data in short, it just like help us to reduce the boilerplate code. @all constructor, this is parameterized constructor. Nor constructor, this is default constructor. Then here I am adding some fields. This will be private int emp have id, private string emp have name, private string emp have department, private double emp have salary. Yes, now we don't require to use getter, setter and toString here. Fine. And even constructor as well, because we are using here annotation based approach. Fine. Perfect. Now here I am going to create list of employee data. For that perspective I am calling here list. It will be type of employee. This will be, you can say, employee list equal to stream of. Again, this is the Java 8 feature here. We are simply calling stream of new employee, creating the object of employee, and this is constructor, you can simply say parameterize. 121 the id, name as employee Sora, and the department I am passing here HR, and the corresponding salary as 97,000.96. ending with to list, you can simply use, it will convert into list. Then here at least we require 5 records, that's why I will do the copy paste. This is first record we added here, then I'm just going to add the second record. This is third record, fourth, and this is fifth. Control A, Alt, Control L, it will format the code base. Right. Yes. Control A, Alt, Control L, it will format the code base. Perfect. Then see, we have added here how many records? 5 records added. Then this will be, you can say 122, 123, 124, 125. I'm just going to change the name as well. The name I'm giving here Lakshmi. This name I'm giving here Darshan. This name I'm passing here Pooja. And the one more we require here Aparna. Now Lakshmi from will consider as a research and development department. Same, we have available here Aparna also from research and development department, Pooja from HR department, and Darshan will say Darshan from QA department. Each one have different salary. This will be 91,000.96. This is, I am just going to add 92,000.96. This will be 99,000.96. and the Aparna we are just adding here, this is 55,000.96. right. Great. Control A, Alt, Control L, it will format the code base. This is the shortcut key actually to format the code base. Okay, perfect. Then now we have available here 5 records. From there we are just going to write the logic department wise sum of salary. Then we are just going to add map. It will be key value pair, like key as a string type of department name and the value as salary double. And then here you can simply say department sum of salary map equal to, we have available employee list dot stream dot collect. This will be collectors dot, see here is available collectors dot grouping by, and then we are using here employee get employee department, comma separated, we are calling here collectors dot, there is available method as summing double, and there we are calling employee and the method reference get emp salary ending with semicolon. Now if you want to print it, you can simply use sysout and just pass department sum of salary map and simply try to run it. Then see here it will print the output. Okay, like it will print department name and corresponding sum of salary. We have available 3 departments here, QA, research and development, and HR, and it printed here sum of salary, right? QA we have only one employee name as Darshan, it just printed 92,000.96 here, right? But if you want to iterate one by one record, then don't use the printing statement only, then you can simply go to the for each to iterate the record here. See, we are just trying to iterate the record. Then for iteration perspective, we are calling here, this is map like department sum of salary map, you can say. This will be for each key value, we are just going to add here, right? Then lambda expression, and then you can simply use the printing statement. You can say this is key and value. Key it means department name, and value it means sum of salary for each department. See one screen. Now it will print the output, and the output it will be one by one department it will goes to print, like QA 92,000.96, research and development, yeah, this is the like sum of salary, and HR this is the sum of salary. And again, if you don't want to use this for each, if you want to use the stream API only, then you have one more option available here, stream API. Simply comment out this much, and then you can simply again call here department of sum of salary. Now you are not able to use stream API directly, you need to call here entry set and then use stream dot for each. Then you can call system dot out, and this is print ln. See, it will goes to print again one by one, like it will goes to iterate one by one department, and it will print the sum of salary. Perfect. And again, if you want to use Java 7 for each, right, I will recommend you can simply go ahead with the this one more, simply use for, this would be map dot entry, this is the key as string type of department name, value as employee salary as double, and m reference we are giving here department sum of salary map dot entry set, and then again you can simply go ahead and print it. Yes out m dot get key, it means this is the department, and we are calling here m dot get value, this is sum of salary, you can simply consider colon separated, control A alt control L, it will format the code base. Again I am trying run the same application, it will print output there. See one screen. This is very common as interview question nowadays, right? Yeah, see here also output available. Perfect, great. Then I will recommend you can simply go ahead with this for each, stream API for each, because sometimes interviewer they're expecting you can simply use the stream API only. Then see here is available stream API to iterate the record as well, right, by like this map perspective. Perfect. Then I want to explain this much code one more time. See here we have created the employee class, and this is the POJO class, you can simply say, like itself available, those are the variables, and getter setters to string we are using data notation. This is coming from Lombok, right? Yes, if you are not aware of the Lombok, please check our Spring Boot playlist, you will get the clarity there. Like every session I am using the Lombok dependencies there, right, and Lombok annotations. Same for all our constructor, we are calling here parameterized constructor. This is our parameterized constructor, you can simply say, right? Yes, because we are passing some parameters. Perfect. Now our constructor, it means this is default constructor, and once you are ready with the your POJO class, then you can simply come up with the main class main method, and there we are trying to create the list of employees. Again we are calling here stream API feature, and we are able to add their 5 records. You can add number of records as well, right? Perfect. The next is we have created here map reference department sum of salary map here, and the map is type of string. It means you can simply say department name, and value it means sum of salary, it's in double. And this is our logic, like employee list, we have available list of data, then we are just going to convert into stream dot collect, and here again we are calling collectors.groupingBy, right? We are going to group by for those employee department and the sum of salary. Then here employee method reference get EMP department, it means this is the key, right? Each department. And here collectors.summingDouble employee method reference get salary, it means we are just going to do the sum of that particular department salary. And at the end we are just trying to iterate it by using again our reference available here, department sum of salary map entry set dot stream, and we are just trying to iterate it, means by using for each, and one by one we are going to print it whatever department we have available. Like we have department HR, research and development, and QA, right? Then it will print the accordingly such a result. Simply try, run it, you will be able to see the output there. Perfect, great. And if I am going to add one more data for QA, then definitely result goes to change. See on screen, I'm adding one more records at the end. You can simply say this is the one more data I am trying to add, and this is we are adding 1001, and the name of employee I am just adding here Pratik, and the Pratik QA department, right? Yes. And the salary we are adding here 99,000.99. then definitely again if you are trying to run it, see the QA, now it will goes to increase the sum of salary QA department, right? See on screen, here is the output effect. Perfect. Then such a way we done with our hands-on for department wise sum of salary, and this is very commonly asked into the question. Fine. And definitely we'll continue with this playlist to cover up all the Java 8 stream API features, and once it's done then we'll go to the Java 11 and Java 17 coding interview questions as well. Yeah, then thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe the channel to get more updates, and see you in next video.